Hey everybody, I'm Zachary with Primetime Manufacturing, and I'm here to show you the all-new 2024 Tracer 28 VHS. Let's go take a first look. The 2024 Tracers come standard with a power tongue jack, two 20-pound propane tanks so you can exchange them at any convenience store or gas station, an aerodynamic fiberglass front cap that reduces drag while towing, makes it easier to go down the road, reduces sway, and all along the side here, you have your Furrion Vision S system. It is prepped for that camera. It mounts in here, that way you can see your blind spots while you're going down the road. It also ties into the rear backup camera that you'll see when we get to the rear of the unit. Your outside storage door is pretty unique on the Tracer. Not only does it have the slam latch baggage door, so it's easy to open and close, but it also has a continuous hinge along the top. A lot of competitors will run a piano hinge that will allow water to get through, where this is solid all the way across. It pushes the water down around the sides. On the inside though, there's over 40 cubic feet of storage in here. It's huge, and that's on purpose. We know that everybody's got a bunch of camp chairs and tables and coolers and everything else. You need a place to put them, and they'll all fit right in here. And your outside kitchen. It has the refrigerator. The door drops down completely out of the way. It doesn't lift up so you hit your head on it. Falls all the way down and away, and you have a pull-out shelf so you can put whatever you want on it. We've been asked quite frequently from our previous models, can we get water back into the outside kitchen? So now you have a spray port. You can hook up the hose from the other side with the nozzle on it, and you now have water over on the campsite side. The aluminum wheels that you see, another standard feature. Inside of those wheels is a band that has your tire pressure monitoring system pre-installed. That tire pressure monitoring system not only does tire pressure, but also tire temperature, which is extremely important because the #1 indicator of having an issue while going down the road is that the tire is going to heat up, and this system will alert you of that. Working to the rear of the trailer, you'll notice the 4-inch square bumper. That is where you can put your sewer hose, and then also in the unfortunate event that you may get into an accident from the rear, it's there to protect the trailer. A lot of competition out there is taking those off so that you can shorten the trailer up, but leaves everything exposed. Not on the Tracer. Up top is that rear backup camera prep. That's what ties into the side cameras. So if you opt for the Vision S system, you'll have one monitor that shows your blind spots and the rear of the trailer. Now, the really cool part about that system is there's actually a microphone and a speaker. So as you're ground guiding the trailer back, you don't have to yell in the campground. You can just talk to it and the driver of the vehicle can hear you. On the rear of the 28 VHS is a bike door. When you open this up, you now have an immense amount of interior storage. You can put a kayak, you can put bicycles, large coolers, slide anything you want right in here because again, we understand that storage is key. Lastly, on the outside, another large baggage door, and behind it is the convenience center. Inside the convenience center is your city water fill, your fresh water fill, black tank flush, battery disconnect, solar prep, cable hookups, your outside shower. The nice thing about this though, is that it's all plastic. So because you have all of these water hookups, when you're hooking up a hose, disconnecting a hose, you're bound to get a little bit of spray, a little bit of drippage. There's a drain at the bottom and it's all plastic, so you're not letting water into the inside of the trailer. Let's check out the inside now. But on our way up, I've got to point out the solid steps and the extra large grab handle that makes entry and exit extremely easy. Welcome inside the 28 VHS. Right behind me, you'll find the double over double bunk beds that have a nice, large, convenient ladder to get up to the top bunk, an all new curtain that you can pull across to separate so you can get some good sleep in there. And then next to the bunks is a good sized bathroom. In here, you'll have a shower, full shower surround with a skylight. So me, again, being over 6 feet tall, I can step up all the way in and again, spread out in the shower. And in the bathroom, you have an extra large vanity where you have some additional storage, some good counter space. The big thing though is the shower. It has a skylight above, full shower surround. It's extremely large and a medicine cabinet to put all of your other bathroom goodies. Storage is key in every RV. That's why in the 28 BHS, you have a full-size, floor-to-ceiling, nice large pantry for a whole bunch of goodies. One of the really neat features inside this trailer is not only do you have an entertainment center with a TV here, right across from your sofa, but behind the TV, which opens right up, is another storage area pantry for some more food. Underneath the TV, you have a massive countertop and then a fireplace that not only looks good, but also puts off heat. It's a 7,500 BTU electric heater, so in those cooler months, you don't have to use your furnace, you don't have to use your propane, you can just turn on your electric heater. Headed into the kitchen, there's another floor-to-ceiling pantry, a 12-volt refrigerator, it's 11 cubic feet, solid surface countertops, a huge stainless steel single basin sink that does have a drying rack on it, and in the all-new 2024s, you have the slab doors, all the drawers, two-tone cabinets up top, hidden hinges, all the new hardware. On the other side of the trailer is your traditional style dinette, which in a unit like this is really geared towards families, so it lets you put that down, add an additional sleeping area, but at the same time have even more storage underneath the seats. Because again, we get it. When you have families this large where you need the bunks, you also need places to put everything. So underneath the dinettes, 2 floor-to-ceiling pantries, and then up in the master bedroom, there's even more. Let's go take a look. Up in the master bedroom, there are now drawers on either side of the bed, your wardrobe closets for your hanging storage, and then in front, up in the nose, there are power outlets and cubbies. So if you have any sleep aid machines or you just want to plug your phone in, you have plenty of space at the head of the bed to do that. Lastly, there are a couple features of the 2024 tracers that you can't see. Every tracer in 2024 comes with our Prime Control system, and that's where you can connect your phone or tablet via Bluetooth to the trailer itself. That will give you the ability to run your slide in and out, send your awning in and out, and turn your lights on and off. Now those things are extremely convenient to you because if you're setting this up all by yourself and you're not sure if that slide's gonna run into an obstacle, you don't have to be in here and hit the button and run around to the outside and run back in. You can just go outside on your phone, run the slide out. Or if at night you're sitting around the campfire and you need an extra light because you can't find something, you can just turn your LED light on right then and there without having to come inside the trailer at all. The other thing that every tracer has in 2024 is the Wine Guard antenna. That antenna enables this trailer to connect to Wi-Fi and have a Wi-Fi booster. Or if you purchase the optional router, you can actually connect it to either a 5G service or backwards compatible down to a 4G service for cellular connectivity. So you can either work from in here or just watch those streaming movies. Either way, Tracer's got you taken care of. Thanks for watching. For more information on the Tracer 28 BHS, check out generalrv.com.